How to change your name on WPS Office app. To change your name on WPS Office app, you'll have to follow these steps. Open up your Play Store for an update. So on the search box, type in WPS Office. When you type in that, click the update button if you see so, or else just click the open button and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the dashboard section. Here, you want to click the profile from the top right hand side corner, after which a pop-up menu appears. Click on your username or the profile name. Then you'll be taken to My Profile. Here you could see name. If you want to change the name, remove or erase the one and click the OK button. Now that you've done it so, you could see you've successfully changed your name on WPS Office app. This is the way you could change your name on WPS Office app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.